What is up, internet? I just wanted to make a quick little video about some issues I've been having with the rear sliding door window crank handle. So I asked if anybody had one of these, and everyone was very quick to suggest getting one out of a late 80s, early 90s Civic, and because they're the same. And this is one out of a late 80s, early 90s Civic. And in theory, it looks right if you're looking at the front door. So the front door, these are a perfect match. Everything is the same, the color is the same, the little texture on the inside of the knob is the same. They're totally the same for the front door. But the one on the back door, just here's a little bit of comparison. So for the back door, this is the knob that came off when the handle broke. And you can see this one has ribs on the side and is slightly lower profile than this one. And you can also see that the actual handle itself is a little bit skinnier than this one. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. But you can see that it's significantly skinnier where the actual handle attaches, and the knob is actually inverted. So these little four prongs go inside there, but then on this one, the handle goes inside the knob. And the main issue here is the low profile bit, because with a sliding door, you have to worry about the knob hitting the side of the van. And with this one, if it was to go in, it would hit right there, see? So I've looked for the correct handle, one of these, which you can see it does like dip in, and this one just goes straight. So I've looked for these handles on a couple parts websites, and they say that they're all discontinued. So if you have an Acty van, you'll need to get the specific rear handles or else it won't work. So in summation, the late 80s, early 90s Civic handles will work for the front doors, not the sliding doors.